In this video, which is part 5 of the CountUpJS library, we're going to talk about the final part, which is really important, and that's probably the thing that you will often use, and that is the prefix and the suffix. So what is the prefix and the suffix? So you can put in values at the front or at the end, and you can see right now we have this $sign here. However, let's remove that and use the prefix and the suffix for that, where we can control the items. So let's go back here. So you can see here we have this $sign. Let's remove that one and refresh. So now we don't have a $sign. So let's put in the $sign in our JavaScript. So you can see here for the options, in the options you have two more options, which is the prefix and suffix. So the suffix will basically go at the back after everything, and the prefix will go always at the front. So what we can do is, for example, we'll just do this as a dash, and we do it in the prefix. We'll say, well, we're going to put in the $sign. Let's click on here and refresh, and then what happens, as you can see, now we have automatically our $sign connected to our value, which is exactly what we want. And this is really how you can do it. It's very simple, and then you don't have to use any fancy items here like what we did here. Basically, we could just adjust this item here. As you can see, you can just move this away, put the ID in here, remove the span, and save this, and let's see what happens now. Everything works exactly the same. It's easier and cleaner. So this is really one of the extra options. So if you like these kind of tips and tricks regarding to JavaScript, check out in the description box. We have a wonderful course regarding to ChartJS, and ChartJS is one of the next things that's basically really interesting, because once you are doing with numbers and financials, creating a chart will be your next challenge. And I have a link in here, and it's completely free. You just click on it and you can instantly sign up and join it for no problem at all. And then you learn everything about how to create charts, and the nicest and the biggest fun is eventually connecting this with charts. That will be really fun. Alright, that's it for now. So we completed now every item regarding to CountUpJS.